In a hearing held by the Senate Armed Services Committee on May 9th, Lieutenant General Daniel Karbler, who leads the U.S. Army Space and Missile Defense Command, declared that the U.S. has not yet supplied the Iron Dome air defense systems to Ukraine. Nevertheless, he acknowledged that one unit can be shipped if Ukraine makes a request. Karbler further reported that 2 Iron Dome batteries are at the disposal of ground forces, but one of them is currently in the process of installing new equipment, while the other can potentially be transferred. According to experts, despite the 90% success rate of Israel's Iron Dome air defense system in intercepting rockets, it is unlikely that Ukraine will gain access to it due to Israel's strategic partnership with Russia in conflict areas like Syria. In the meantime, Ukraine has received new long-range strike capabilities, with CNN reporting that the UK has delivered Storm Shadow long-range cruise missiles to the Ukrainian armed forces. A senior U.S. official has called these missiles a game changer and said that they will be used solely against targets within Ukraine's sovereign territory. However, the transfer of these missiles has provoked the Kremlin, with Press Secretary Dmitry Peskov warning that an appropriate military response will be necessary. At the hearing, John Plum, the Assistant Secretary of Defense for Space Policy, was unable to verify whether Ukraine had been offered such systems. Nevertheless, the procurement of these missiles is a significant step for Ukraine in its efforts to counter potential Russian aggression. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.